Start. Where are you? Mahusay magbisaya. The last part, magbisaya. Bisaya. Yeah. That. Then you write here ang iyong kaklase. And down ha, down. Ang iyong kaklase. Make it. Iyong. It will fit, no? No, it will not fit, Chin. Okay. Ang iyong kaklase. Ayun, you need to put it there lang. Patay ka, it's not gonna fit. You need to move a little bit from here. Just, oh no, because your name you will put down. You need to, ang iyong kaklase, erase it. And write it. So it will fit. Okay, write it up here. Decide lang, ano. And I'll start. Ang iyong klase. I. No, there's no space again. I-Y O-N-G. Kaklase. K-A-K-L-A-S-A. Eagle, oh, not apple. Kaklasa?
Apple.
Kaklase. Eagle man, not
Eagle.
etlog.
Se.
Then your name. Down. Here lang, you write here. Ken Lorenzo. Decide this one, Pamina. Decide.
On the screen.
Now, oh, look. It's Ken Lorenzo.
L-O-U-R-E-N-Z. I got ruined. G-O-A-L-A-J-O-S.
Okay. You put heart.
And then that's the part they stop in.
Okay, that's your letter.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Okay.
Stop there.